Oh, oh shit. Hold up. Okay, y'all. So I literally no. We just said the time that we're leaving. So supposed to be the movie starts at 5:45, and we're supposed to be leaving around like 5 o'clock. And we're going to Wardolph, and people always be like that, saying like, "Oh my gosh, Wardolph is so far." To me, it's not that far because I like the drive. I mean, I don't like to drive. I like the drive. Like I just like sitting back and letting the person drive, whatever. But I already know how long I can take, so I'm just about to start getting ready right now. I can't even see, like I'm not even trying to be neat. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's the problem. I'm not trying to be neat. I'm gonna put all them damn clip-ins in my head and would have messed up. Okay, so I figured it out. Okay, so 10 inch, the longest goes in the back, then you work your way up, and the shortest go in the front.
Friends and we too stoned to pay attention. I mean, really, it's same me, it's old me, you know, same shit. I've been on a low key grinding, learning on that low key shining, trying to keep to myself, but you bring me out of character every time again. Damn Gina, them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some get right, mama. Go Gina, go get that get right, mama. Go Gina, go till you get right, mama. Damn Gina, I belong to nobody, hope it don't bother you. You can mind your business. I belong to nobody, try not to disturb and mind my business.
Okay, y'all. So it's starting to look a little bit more realistic, but I'm gonna add some gel to it. And I just need to finish this side, so that's actually what I'll do. But I'm going to cut it some more and play around with it and tease it so it could look a little bit more like, yeah, just realistic. But it's coming together though. I stopped the camera and looked at it for a second. Yes, it looks like I had a mess in the back, so I'm gonna have to cut it. And if you don't know how clip-ins work, it's simple. You just pop it out, put it in your hair, snap it back. And that's it. Alright y'all, so this is where I'm at. I'm just so not used to it, so I feel like it's just a lot. I'm still cutting in the back because it is like a lot, and I can feel how heavy the hair is. My hair is small, so I actually only needed one pack of hair. In the light, you can kind of tell the difference with the color, but not too much. Like it's not too obvious. I'm trying. I'm not a hairstylist, so like I said, I do not know what I'm doing. But this, my scarf is right there. I don't know why I like doing this, but I just like flattening this part of my hair.
Hey love, I lost you, babe. Picking up a penny with a press on it. It's easier than holding you down.
Yeah.
Harder than holding you up now. To come clean, I said, to be realist, probably true what they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle. Usually come from your inner circle. For lack thereof, and I don't know. I can try to say I've been dropping out. I've been hanging out with my high friends, and we too stoned to pay attention. I mean, that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think, and